really would sit there panting. So hi guys, hope everyone is well. So today I am going to tell you a little bit about the process of what I'm going through with my hair right now. So as you may or may not know, I have used box hair dye for years, and the darker the better. I've got some grey in my hair that I've had, to be honest, since kind of mid-20s. And so what I've been doing since lockdown is basically just stripping my hair back. I've been using Head and Shoulders shampoo. I've used Head and Shoulders shampoo mixed with vitamin C tablets. I have put lemon on the ends of my hair where it's particularly stubborn, and laid in the sun. So I've done this over a period of kind of, I don't know, 3-4 weeks, something like that. Obviously I've not been dyeing it, and I have, yeah, just literally leaving it. And I mean, it does tell, but as you can see, it is all colours of the rainbow. I gave it a trim a couple of weeks ago, but it probably needs a little bit more taken off it, if I'm completely honest. So yeah, so I'm out here today with the mops, because I'm basically now, I'm to the point where I've done all of that. I can't get any before colour where I live. I've tried. If I do, then I'm going to be spending £35 to get it delivered here, and it will just take ages. So I'm literally now to the point where I need to get some of the stubbornness out because of the different colours that are in there. The roots, as you can see, I mean, the sun has really lightened them up as well. It goes kind of like a very light brown, my natural colour, and then obviously I've got some of the grey in there, blah blah blah. So basically what I want to do is lighten up all of the really stubborn bits. I don't know how light I'm going to go, if I'm completely honest. This is just going to be a process which I'm going to see how it goes. What I wanted to do was get my hair just lighter. So I don't know. The main thing is just trying to lift it at the moment, and so yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. So I managed to find this, which is the L'Oreal Preference, the balayage kit, and it's got like a little brush thing and everything. So I'm not gonna kind of film myself physically doing it, because I'm literally going to be putting it on all of the really dark bits, but I will absolutely let you guys see it when I've dried it and see what the next stage for me is going to be. So yeah, so I'm outside because A, it's really hot, B, I tend to make a bit of a mess, not gonna lie, and C, yeah, I think I can see the colour a little bit better in natural light. I'm in the shade, so that's fine. Yeah, let's get on with it and see what I can do. See if I can get rid of some of this, yeah, as I say, see if I can get rid of some of this rainbow hair. I will check in later. Okay, so time for a bit of a hair update. And also to let you guys know what I'm going to be doing next, because as you can see, so I've washed it out, I've left some conditioner in, but my god, look at these roots now. It's kind of gone orange, there's reds in there when the light hits it. I mean, it has lightened up kind of the bottom bit. So what to do next is, good god, so it's the next day and I'm still very much on the blonde hair journey. So oh my god, there's a lot going on. So basically I now have at the moment a full head, and sorry, I'm just doing this just because I've just got so much everywhere. Okay, yeah, so I've basically got a full head of bleach on my head and I'm just going for it, and we'll see if I think that that was a good idea in a bit. But I just thought, you know what, I've never done it before, worst case, my hair falls out and yeah. But really, seriously, if there's any time to do this, it's in my life, it's now. So I'll check in a bit. I didn't show you just putting it on because I'm so not great at putting it on. Honestly, the mess that I have made is disgusting. So I will show you after I wash it out. Wish me luck. Okay, so this is where we've ended. So it's very orange still, very strawberry blonde, very yellow, obviously where the sun's been on it, and obviously I've got less colour. But I think I've just got to go in with the toner now and, you know, just let it do its thing. And yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. It's a journey. It's a journey going blonde. But yeah, I'm just going to put the toner in. I mean, as you can see, I mean, I soaked like so much that like the different tones is unbelievable, really. But then I suppose, you know, at the end of the day, this has had more colour on, and so it's going to take longer. But yeah, so let's put the toner on and check back in. Hi guys, so it's about a week later now. Yeah, was it Monday? Anyway, it's about 6 or 7 days since I last bleached my hair, and the delivery, because I live in Spain and nothing actually arrives here for a little while and I can't get to anywhere at the moment, arrived literally about 10 minutes ago. So I've been honestly just itching to do it all over the weekend, but I've just been patient. I'm seeing it as a journey, but yeah, I'm really happy that it's now arrived. So I'm going to be putting that on. I've got 2 packets. I'm probably going to use both of them because my hair's quite thick. I did give it a bit of a cut, so I've got rid of all the straggly ends, so hopefully that is going to make it a little bit easier this time. It needed it, and I just think, yeah, the last time it's just worth just getting rid of it. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully I can get rid of a lot of this ginger and orange that is going on. So yeah, I will check back in to let you know how it's going. And yeah, 2nd week on the journey of going blonde. Got it literally everywhere. Okay, so it's on. I got it all over my face, hence why all my mascara is also all over my face. Yeah, let's see. I can see why people think it's scary doing this, because the heat that was just coming off of, oh my God, of like just, it was just so warm. Like when it was activating, it was just like, yeah, there was a lot of heat there. I really hope this works because I don't want to be lightening. I don't want to be doing anything other than just putting a toner on this. So I'm definitely, regardless, I'm not going to be lightening it. It's fine. It's the condition. I've been checking it. I'm going to check it again. I can still see some dark bits though. That's the thing. And that's where I'm like, but it is what it is. It's done. I've done it to the best of my ability. I've got no abilities in this, so let's see. Let's see indeed. Next step, and I'm doing this step tonight. It's not actually that late, so it's quite good. Toner. So next step, obviously, shampoo, condition. I think I can put the toner on wet hair, but I need to leave the conditioner in. I'm going to have some dinner whilst that's in. And clearly get all of the bleach that I've managed to get down me off with my hair. So
yeah. Oh, I just hope the toner is, yeah, it's just, yeah, it's now really, really kind of, yeah, it's really coming home now that it's blonde. Or yellow, orange. I don't know. Anyway, I'll check in later. Hopefully I'll look a little bit more, well, I don't know, maybe I won't. Okay.